He got sick too. Get out there. There you go.
Let's
go, Cameron!
Now you.
Let's go, baby.
Now
Run the back stretch.
long stride. That's where you want to be
Go.
right there.
Run the back stretch.
How relaxed the arm is.
Go, Ray Sean.
This is going to be a fast
Hey, John. Thank you. Thank you for that help.
There you go. You're where you need to be.
Faster.
Now you need to be. Come on.
24.
Let's kick it. It's time to kick. Speed up.
I don't like those blue
Want it.
There you go. Let's get it.
Hey, let's go, Cameron.
Let's go. Finish it.
Run uphill.
Get your elbows in. Elbows in. Let's
Finish
go.
it.
Run uphill!
Let's go. Get tall.
Tighten the step up! Run uphill! Let's go, Cam! Let's go! Relax!
All the way.